Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix not delivery available error on Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys multiple solutions to fix this problem, okay? This is a very common problem, by the way. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify dashboard, okay? So after that, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys multiple solutions. So make sure you watch this video till the end, so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Now, after you click, guys, on settings, you want to click on shipping and delivery, okay? So first thing I would do is I will check like all the profiles that I have created and see if there is any problem there. Or if you don't have like multiple profiles here, then you want to click on a new profile here in the top right, okay? So after, guys, you click on your profile, then you want to name this profile whatever you want. Doesn't really matter, customers will not see it. So for example, new profile for my international, for example, international customers, okay? That's exactly just whatever, you know, it doesn't really matter. Just like name this profile whatever you want. After that, you want to click on add products, and now you want to add the products here that you have a problem with, like your customers complain about this problem, the problem they receive when they try to purchase the item on your Shopify store. Just add these products here, okay? So for example, I have a problem with this product. A lot of customers message me that they cannot purchase this item. They receive an error that says no delivery available. Now you want to check, you want to like add these products here, and then click on done, okay? So after, guys, you click on done, then you want to click on add shipping zone, okay? So here you want to add the shipping zone. The shipping zone, I would like to ship to, for example, all countries in Asia, and I would like to ship to all countries in Europe, okay? So I'm going to ship to 2 markets, like countries in Asia and countries in Europe, okay? So by the way, if you have, for example, if you are shipping to United Arab Emirates, make sure you click on that and make sure you select all the states, okay? Because a lot of people want to ship to this country, but they don't select all the states, like Dubai, as you can see. You want to check all these, okay? If there is like, if you don't want to ship to a certain like state in this country, you can just deselect the state, okay, by clicking on it, and then you can select it, you can deselect it. Now that's just in case that you want to ship to this country, or you have a problem with customers in that country. Make sure you select all the states. After that, you want to click on done, okay? Make sure you click on here it says zone name. You want to just name this zone, for example, in your profile. Doesn't really matter, customers will not see that, okay? Click on done, and now after that, what you guys need to do, you want to click on add the rate here. Now you just need to add the rate. For example, the custom rate, I'm going to add here standard, and here the price. You want to charge how much money you want to charge for like this product for the shipping, okay? For example, I'm going to charge $20, okay, for countries I have selected. Now I'm going to click on done, and make sure you click on save in the top right so that you can save your changes. Now we have created now a profile, okay? So now check if the problem is solved or not. So if not, if the problem is still there, then if you have like multiple profiles here, for example, I'm going to show you guys something, because a lot of people have this problem and they don't know how to fix it. So if you have created, for example, Australia shipping profile, or shipping profile for people in Africa or Europe, like somehow, like if products like if products are listed in there, for example, Australia shipping profile, just go to the profile and delete all the items there, and you will automatically be defaulted back to the US, okay? So if that makes sense. Now if you have like multiple profiles here, okay, you want to click on the profile. For example, you have created Australia profile, and you want to remove all these products, okay? Now you just need to click on this X where you can remove all these products from this profile, and then you will be defaulted back to US profile, okay? Now that's if you have problem with people in the United States, okay? So another way is, make sure you click on each profile that you have created, and after that you want to add the products that you have a problem with. You want to click on manage, and you want to add these products here, because if you don't add them there, like your customers will receive that error. Okay, so make sure you add the products to each profile so that you can ship these products to like certain countries or certain markets. Okay, so another way, guys, is, let me show you guys something also, another solution. I mean, you want to go to locations, and if you have like multiple locations here, you want to click on the location and make sure you check this box where it says fulfill online orders from this location. Okay, just check this so that you will be able to ship products or fulfill orders from this location. Like if you only have one location, you can also add multiple locations here. Okay, so also if you link your Printful account to Shopify, make sure you go to Printful and see if there is any problem with the shipping rates. Okay, that's really it can cause the problem. Okay, so what you need to do, you want to go to like Printful and see if the shipping rates are like correctly set up. Okay, so also you want to go to settings at the very bottom left. Okay, and you want to click on, here it says markets. Okay, so after, guys, you click on markets, you want to click, for example, if you have a problem with international market, you want to click, for example, on international, and make sure you activate the international market. Okay, so that you can ship to these countries. Now if it's inactive, make sure you activate it. Okay, click on active and click on done. Okay, so another way, guys, that will help you solve the problem as soon as possible is to search here on Google for contact Shopify support. That's if the problem is not solved. Click on the first result, and now you will be able to talk to someone, a real human, that will check your Shopify store and see if there is anything you can do to fix the problem. Now here you want to ask the assistant, hi, I would like okay, I'm going to zoom this so that you can see what I'm going to text here. Now I would like to talk to someone. Okay, so just like text something like this. Okay, just send this text, for example, to the robot so that they can connect you with an agent. Okay, that will help you, that will like the support team that will go the support team will go to and check your account and see if there is any problem with your Shopify store, and then they will explain to you here in messages how you can fix the problem. Okay, so just in case the problem is still there. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly, guys, how you can fix this problem. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you need any help. I reply to every single comment. If you have a problem with Printify or Printful, let me know in the comments, guys. I reply to every single comment, and see you guys next video. Please drop a like, that will be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.